Today I'm going to show you how to make a Bitmoji Classroom. And I'm going to do this in 3 steps. 1, I'm going to show you how to build the classroom. 2, I'm going to show you how you can add links to your classroom. And 3, I'm going to show you how you lock your room. So let's start by building your classroom. To build your classroom, you're going to need 3 things. You're going to need a blank Google slide. You're going to want a tab open to remove.bg. That's a website we're going to use to remove the background to objects we're going to want to use. And also you're going to need a Bitmoji. You can get a Bitmoji from Snapchat, where most people use it, but you're definitely going to need the Bitmoji Chrome add-on. All you need to do is go to the Chrome store and get the Bitmoji add-on, and it'll go right up in your toolbar, and I'll show you how to use that. So let's get started with building your classroom. To build your classroom, you need a blank Google slide to start with. And here's that remove BG site as well that we're going to be using. And you're going to want to have a tab open for us to do quick searches in. Now the first search you're going to want to do for this is you're going to want a floor and wall search. So you just do a quick search for floor and wall and you'll find them underneath images. And you're going to want to add background to that and transparent as well. And you're going to want to find one. So here I have a couple to choose from. I like this teal one. I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to copy and paste it and put it right there as my background. Next, I'm going to have to start adding some furniture to my classroom. So obviously, I'm going to need a whiteboard. So I searched around for a whiteboard transparent. I found one I wanted. And now we're going to use that remove BG site. I'm going to click and drag that image to the site, drop it in, and it's going to remove the background for me. And then from here, I just copy it, and then I paste it in my classroom. And I can resize this and position it wherever I want in the classroom. Now I'm going to add just a few more objects into the classroom so I can show you how to do a few things such as layering things in different orders or changing the color of different objects. So here I'm just going to drop a plant in. And I'm going to grab this poster right here. And I'm doing this to show you how the orders of objects can be changed. So if you look here, I have my plant, and then in front of it, I have the poster, and we can't have that. So what you can do is you click on what you have in front. So in this case, I have the poster in front. I click order, and then I click send backward. And it's going to send it back behind the plant, but as you notice, it's still in front of the whiteboard. And you can change the order of any object by doing that. You just right-click and click order. All right. Now let's talk about changing the color of anything we put in the room. So here I have this really pretty blue chair. I'm going to put that in this room. I'm going to get rid of that background first. So I like this blue chair, but I don't feel that the color works well in this room. So I'm going to change the color of that, and that's quite simple. All you need to do is click on it, go to Format Options, click on Recolor, and it'll give you a couple of different options. So I kind of like this orange color for it, so I'm going to have that chair be orange. And that's how you set up your classroom. Now let's add the teacher to the classroom. You need to have the Bitmoji add-on up here in your bar. To do that, you just search in Google Chrome store for Bitmoji and you add the add-on to it. Once you have it on, you just click on it and you have all your little Bitmojis. Now you can either click or type in pose, which will give you your Bitmoji in different poses. If you're looking for something specific, I'm going to have my girl sitting. I'm just going to put in sit and I'll find one. So I like this one. I just copy her, paste her, and I'm going to flip her by clicking and dragging this in the opposite direction. I'm going to straighten her out a little bit there, and then just going to place her right on the chair. And you can resize it to whatever you feel best fits your Bitmoji Classroom. Now let's look at how to add in our links. All you need to do is highlight whatever it is you want to become a link. Click Insert, Link, and then copy and paste the link that you want it to go to and put it in there. And now your students will have access to that. You don't have to do it with just words. You can also use objects as well. So with this plant here, I'm going to have it go to this search about photosynthesis. You just click on the plant, insert, link, and add in the link you want for it. Now, before you share this with your class, you want to lock your classroom. To do that, you need to highlight the entire page, and you know you have it highlighted when you see all these little blue boxes appear. You're going to right-click and click on Group. Now, when your students receive this, they click on things, they won't be able to move everything around. They can only get to the links you provided. If you want to make changes to it, so you want to make a new message on the board for the next day, you just go in, right-click again, and ungroup it. And now you can go ahead and make those changes. So remember to lock it before you send it. And that's how you make a Bitmoji Classroom. Hopefully this has been helpful. If you need any help or have any questions, please feel free to contact me at kswinski@min201.org.